Hey Cain crew, welcome back to my channel. Today we are finally flipping the bathroom. A new season is upon us and it is time to make some changes. Let's jump in. So if you've been following for a while, you have seen me decorate this bathroom more times than one, and you hear me complain about this yellow color. Well, today is the day that is going to change. I haven't redecorated since Halloween because I've been looking forward to painting. So we're going to go to Lowe's and pick the paint, but before we do that, I must mention that this is a collaboration with my girl Lisa from To Each a Clean Home. Guys, here is Lisa to introduce herself.
Hey beauties, my name is Lisa and I am from the channel To Each a Clean Home. Over on my channel you will find tons of cleaning videos, tons of cleaning and decorating videos. My heart and my passion is maintaining our home and making it a nice and cozy place where we are all comfortable and enjoy living here. So if you are interested in that kind of content, after you watch this video, head on over to my channel.
Okay guys, so picking a paint color was extremely difficult. I knew I wanted to stay in the neutral family and the gray family, grays or whites, but trying to pick a gray without a bad undertone was harder than I thought. But I went with this one here, the Gravity, and now we're going to jump right into taking down this Halloween shower curtain and getting this bathroom cleaned. You wanna pick a fight with everything seems so good. I guess I can't help myself. Would you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Replacing this vanity has been harder than I thought, so make sure that you're watching to the end because I really want you guys' input on what direction I should go in, which I will explain in the end. But as you see it really is used and it has to go. This mirror right here, I want to replace it, so I've been struggling trying to figure out if I want to take it down now or take it down once I get the replacement. So it's getting painted today. Yes,
can you take it down once you get the replacement?
So this is getting painted today, and a part of me is like, I kind of want to take it down because then it will make for less touch up when we get a new mirror. But a part of me is like, just leave it up. And then also this here, this medicine cabinet. I mean, I honestly think that medicine cabinets make for great use. I just think this one is outdated. So I've been thinking about taking this down too, but I think I'm gonna just leave this because it makes for great storage space. And you know, keep medicine out of reach of children. So I don't know, maybe keep this. But I've been contemplating taking this down now or waiting until after it gets painted. I mean, I'll have the paint to touch up, but
well, if you just
still, I don't know.
And the paint behind it, I guess you can think that.
I don't know. I think I'm gonna leave it for today, and when I get the new one, I'll just put it up and do the touch-up painting around it, because that's going to be the same thing with the lighting as well. We're going to replace that lighting too, so I guess those will get taken down together, and then this also is going to get replaced. So, gonna have to touch up anyway, so might as well leave it. But I'm going to move on to, I guess, the toilet and floor, and then of course I do the tub last.
the backseat. Wide awake is the way that you left me, oh. Now it's clear we are here back at your house, and I keep fading into the background. I'm wide awake, now you keep missing out for sure. Take down your walls and let me, ooh. Yeah, brick by brick now.
So this is real life mom moments. I'm cleaning the bathroom, but somebody needs help with division. So of course they're coming in the bathroom and asking me questions about her homework or her virtual learning work. This is real life, guys. Like moms, we can never just focus on one thing. You know, there's always something else that needs our attention.
In my bed 5 to 12, wish I could sleep. Dream about all the ways you could reach me, but now you keep missing out on me, that's for sure. Take down your walls and let me, ooh. Yeah, brick by brick, now let me, ooh. I wanna be right there by your side. I wanna be there, won't you be mine? Take down your walls and let me, yeah, brick by brick, now let me, won't you be mine? Won't you be mine? Won't you be mine?
So this is a true cleaning motivation because this tub was really dirty because I had washed Dash hair in it the night before. So it definitely need to be clean. And just another disclaimer, that is not dirt in the corner. That is, the grout is stripped right there, which I've mentioned in another video. And I have grout pins that I keep saying I'm going to use, but I have yet to do them. I think I'm just afraid to mess it up, so I haven't done the grout pins, but I do need to get it done and just, you know, try it on the corner. I mean, you can't go wrong, honestly.
You only call me on the weekends when you're out and about, only chasing highs. You need me. He brings me flowers on a Tuesday. He gives me good love and something that I never thought existed. I know what I need, ain't gonna lie. I know what I want, speaking my mind now. A queen needs a king to be by her side.
So the bathroom got painted by a contractor and I felt awkward trying to record him, so I didn't, but here is the results. Okay, so we have gotten the paint done. The next thing to get done in here is replacing this, replacing that lighting up there, and replacing this toilet. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the grout pen to fix the grout, like in that corner right there and around, get it done, and yeah. Okay guys, so I need your help. I have been struggling with trying to figure out which look I want to go for. So here are 6 looks that I have been inspired by. I'm really inspired by the color of number 1, the style of number 2. Number 3 is the standard. I love the backsplash of 4, the storage space in 5, and then the color of 6. So which one would you choose? Comment down below, and then in my next video, once I choose, we will see which one I went with. Did you make a selection? I sure hope so. But guys, that is it for this video. Make sure that you check out my girl Lisa. She is so dope. You're going to love her. Other than that, guys, if you haven't subscribed, please do so. Give this video a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.